In the delayed exchange variation of the French defense, black weakens his kingside with g6 and then castles kingside. White sacrifices the exchange to create a pin on black's king knight to his queen. The pinned knight is then piled on, even with more sacrifices, and black's defense breaks down. White wins the pinned knight, and the final threats on the weakened dark squares cause black to resign. French defense. Notice black's bad queen bishop, the problem child of the French. Classical variation. The delayed exchange variation. Exchange variation. Drawish. Notice how white has solved black's queen-bishop problems for black. It seems white is trying to avoid the more symmetrical variations. The threat is bishop take f6, breaking up the kingside pawns. To avoid the bishop pin. Black wants to trade his knight for the good white bishop on d3. Castling here would also be a good choice.
Check.
In exchange for giving up the good bishop, white has gained time and space. Was black thinking that he could play bishop f5 attacking the queen, but white's knight on g3 guards f5? Or was he thinking that this move would keep the white knight out of f5? The move black played is really bad because it weakens the knight and makes holes on the king side. Much better was castle kingside or t6. Probably thinking he's escaping one of the pins and getting the king to safety. Not. Knocking the support out from under the knight and getting rid of one of the defenders of the dark squares. Watch now as white attacks on those dark squares. Threatening to win the knight and plant the bishop in the hole. Playing king g7 is a blunder because it exposes the king to direct attack and allows white to bring more pieces into the attack with tempo. Excellent. Pile on the pinned piece.
Check.
Or give up the queen. Black resigned. The only way to stop white's queen from going to h6 and then mating is to give up the black queen. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more top-level chess analysis move by move.